Remember that last AliExpress order we placed in the last video? It's right here. If you did miss it, make sure you check out this first part where I walk you through the whole process on how to make a successful order, what to avoid, how to get the best offer, and even free shipping for every country you are, and even an international means of payment if your country have any form of restriction, just like in Nigeria we do have one currently. Beyond that, there are a whole lot of steps, precautions, and things to avoid that I've explained in full detail while placing order on AliExpress. Make sure you check it out. I will link it down in the description below. After waiting for what felt to be like forever, no, I'm just joking, because it took only 13 days to ship my product from China all the way down to Nigeria. And do you know what? I didn't pay a dime for the shipping because all the products I bought were under free shipping. Just like most of us, we do get anxious anytime we place an order online. Like, we tend to want to know where the product is, when is it going to arrive, or just to get the full detail of what your parcel is going through, like before it's coming down to you. If you ever get that anxious feeling, trust me, this video is for you. I'll be showing you how to track down your package more efficiently using alternative tool instead of the custom AliExpress tracking method. Using this tool, you tend to never leave a sight of your parcel ever again. Trust me, this will save you tons of energy. But right before that, let's just do a quick unboxing of what we ordered from AliExpress in the first part of this video. Let's see if AliExpress actually deliver what we expected or otherwise. So let's go. First off, the easiest way to track your order is right within the AliExpress application itself. But I barely use this because it doesn't really give me full detail like I always want. So what you have to do first is open your AliExpress application and come down to this place that says account. For your own case, because you haven't received your parcel, under this shipped, you'll be seeing a total number of parcels that are being shipped to you. So because I have none, so mine is just 0. But regardless, I will show you how to track down your package using the AliExpress application. So for my own case, I will just have to come down to review, then click on a particular product I want to track. Coming down here, you will see where it says track order. Easy as that. Wait for it to load, then click on this view more. So you just scroll down. So this is the whole timeline of my order before it arrived to me, where the shipment was received, left the warehouse, arrived at the store, and one lot of things. So as you can see, this is a breakdown of what your parcel went through before getting to you. And like I said, this doesn't kind of give much detail like I want, because I want to get every detail. Immediately my parcel moved from point A to B, I want to get updated. So this looks nice, but it's just the basics. Considering the fact that it is very simple, sometimes the update might be a little bit slow. That's where alternative tools come in place. I'm talking about 17 track, Aftership, and my all-time favorite, the Parcel App. For the purpose of this video, the same products we tracked using the AliExpress application, we would also make use of the Parcel App to track it, and you tend to compare and see which one works best for you. So let's head on to the Parcel App. Well, as you can see, I don't have the Parcel App, so I have to manually go to their website. This one is so cool because it lets you track package not only from AliExpress, but for multiple couriers at once. It even gives you estimated delivery dates based on the shipping method, which is super handy if you are ordering from different sellers. Like I mentioned earlier, we are going to make use of this shipping method to track a parcel and compare the tracking updates to that of AliExpress. Let's go ahead and copy the tracking number from AliExpress. This number you are seeing right here is your tracking ID. It's the number you use to track your parcel from anywhere you are in the world. So we just have to click on this copy. As you can see, it says copy successful. Then we head back to our alternative tracking method. You just come down to the search bar and then paste your tracking ID. Then click on this little red binoculars to search for it. Then just wait a few seconds and see the magic happens. So just scroll down a little to the beginning. Mere looking at it, we can see that it's far better than that of AliExpress, because we can see the link to that particular parcel. We can see the day it spent in transit. We can see the delivery company being used. We can see the couriers being used. It seems that while in China it's used this, then from China down to Nigeria they used PDAF, which most of us might be familiar to. This is the destination, the origin, and the tracking number. Wow, I'm really impressed, to be honest. Ever since I've been using this to track my order, I have never had any issue. So the order was moved out of the warehouse on 19th September, and it go through the inbound sorting center and whatnot. You just see it there. Everything is in detail. Everything. Okay, this is where it's left the country first. It has to go through custom clearance to actually clear your product before it leaves the country. So delivered to the airport, left the country. So let's see how many days did it spend in flight. So delivery 25th September, and then it's departed same day, and then it arrived in the line haul office by 27th. So apparently like roughly 2 days, let's say. Wow, that's great actually. So import clearance started. Okay, so it arrived in Nigeria and started custom clearance on the 27th of September and spent 3 days in custom clearance in Nigeria. Wait, let's go back and check how many days did it spend while leaving the country, while leaving China. So it started custom clearance in China on the 23rd of September 2024 at exactly 19:08. But then it got completed under like roughly 4 to 5 hours, I guess. Okay, that's 4 hours on the same day. But in Nigeria, let's confirm. It started on the 27th, but wasn't completed till on the 30th. Oh, well, not bad. 3 days compared to 4 hours. So after getting to Nigeria, it went through a little bit of processes again. It went to the warehouse and whatnot. You just have to see it there, because seeing is believing. So this is the person that delivered it to me. I'm sorry, I just have to blur it. It's kind of private. So this is it. And this is the last moment where I received my package. So this is me receiving it on the 3rd of October at exactly 16:13 o'clock, or what should I call it? I don't know. I'm not really good with the 24 hours matrix system or time setting also. So like you can see now, it's left onto you to see and compare, justify, see which works for you. Do you prefer everything in detail, or you prefer the normal AliExpress tracking method? Now, what happens if your parcel is being delayed or the tracking just haven't updated in days? First off, don't panic. This is just due to some delays in the update of the parcel movement. I recall there was a time that my tracking just wasn't updating. I think over 24 hours it didn't updated, 42, even about 3 days. But when it just updated, suddenly it passed through about 6 steps. Yeah, from 0 I just seemed to go down to 80% or so. Everything just popped up, and then the date was like of the previous day, so there was maybe a delay in updating it, maybe a problem from their end. So I would say you shouldn't worry about that, because after some time you will see it get updated in real time. But still, what happens if it doesn't update? Or even still, what should you do? I recommend you reaching out to the seller right within your AliExpress application, and to do that, all you have to do is just come down to the order, the particular order that the tracking status haven't been updated. Then you scroll down here to where you see contact seller. So you just have to go to their DM, tell them your complaint, and see how they'll work it out. Alternatively, you could reach out to your shipping company. So in this case, all you have to do is just come up here, then click it. Then you click on this contact, reach out to them to get an update of your parcel. There you have it. Whether you're using the AliExpress application, 17 track, Aftership, or the Parcel App to track your order, there are a lot of ways you can track your package efficiently while you keep your mind at ease. But remember, shipping do take time, especially when you are shipping something internationally. But with these tools, you can always keep a track of where your package is. Still having any doubts or question, drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll really be glad to answer them. And drop a comment below if you have any experience with AliExpress. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification not to miss out on any of my upload. Well, with that being said, catch you the next one. Peace out.